Hey y'all, welcome back to Mommy's Corner with Ashley. So, we are going to be cleaning out the fridge and I'm going to show you just a few recipes I'm going to be cooking this week. We're thinking about not going straight vegan, but just trying out some different vegan options. So, let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So, we cleaned the refrigerator. And so now I have to put up all these groceries. Yeah, I gotta put up all those groceries and throw some of this stuff out. And clean the kitchen. I gotta do all that. Y'all bear with me. Y'all bear with me. Alright, so this is the part where I put the food back into the refrigerator, new and the old. And like I said, I did do vegetarian meals for 2 weeks, maybe 2 times out of the week. So in this video, I'm only going to show you 2 that I did for this week. And I also did really good when it comes to the price. Usually just at Aldi alone, I'll spend $88. Usually no more than that. And then at Walmart, I'll spend like another $30 to $40. However, this time I spent at Aldi, I spent $51.66. Their produce wasn't as good, so I went to Walmart and I spent $48.19. So altogether, it was like $99.85. So I did really good with both stores, and I still have food for the next week, including snacks as well. My husband had bought some snacks previously, so we're doing good. And honestly, I'm really enjoying the vegetarian meals, and so is my husband. And one more thing, I had left a bag in the cart, like in the trunk, and it had like blueberry muffins, some butter, and some more vegetables. I think it was like tomatoes and something else. And in that first row, those are limes. So there are other things that I did make, and those are walnuts right there. So this is our first meal slash appetizer because it's just a dip, but it's basically refried beans with taco seasoning mixed into it. I did warm it up, salsa, sour cream, and cheese. It's so simple. Let it cool, and there it is. Just a plain old bean dip. Really awesome. All right, y'all. I'm making my vegan crunch wrap. So in this, we did a layer of jasmine rice, some black beans, and then I'm gonna put some cheese. It's not totally vegan, it's vegetarian, but I'm gonna put some cheese in the middle of that. Put the corn on, and then layer it with a tostada. 1 second. So then with the tostada, I'm going to layer the sour cream on top. All right. So now we're gonna put these tomatoes on. Then put a little bit more cheese. My husband don't play about his cheese now. I got some nacho cheese, but it's weird. I don't need to put that in like a crock pot for a couple hours for it to actually get warm and that's gonna take too long. And so now, hook it up with the spinach, and everything for the most part is already seasoned. The black beans, the corn, the rice got a little butter in it. Alright, and so last thing is a smaller tortilla. I'm gonna show you why. So it's to cover this part for when we bring it in. However, I'm not going to use the whole tortilla. I'm about to trim off the outer part and then go ahead and fold it. Turn this oven on. The thing just got hot on me, so I'll get it popping. So while I'm waiting on the pan to get hot, I'm just going to hold it like this in place. See how I got it folded? Looks just like a little crunch wrap. And once it get hot, then I'm going to just go ahead and, because once I do this, it's going to go back up. So I'm going to get it popping. So I just try to put it in there very carefully, and then I pressed it down to make sure I get all of it. That bad boy. Of course, it's variations because this isn't whole wheat. This is just a corn tortilla, and this is a whole wheat tortilla, but it still looks pretty good in my opinion. All right, y'all, this is the moment of truth. It's done. It's looking good. It's big. It's way bigger than Taco Bell, that's for sure. So we're gonna take a bite and see what's going on. Okay. Probably a little bit more cheese, but that ain't bad. Yep. Let's see up on It's a little bit more cheese, but yeah, it's real. All right, y'all.